Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am showing a process video for a winter themed birthday card. I wonder if you recognise the characters. During this video I will be colouring images using Copic markers, using a backdrop in a different way than intended and also adding a little sparkle. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicky. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I will be using Lawn Fawn Let It Shine snowflakes in teal and white, the Peekaboo backdrop from Lawn Fawn and a Winter Friends from Kindred Stamps. I begin by colouring the images. I start with the red-haired girl with the green dress. I use Google Images as reference points for all of the colour choices. I didn't notice until too late that all my Copic caps were being displayed just out of sight this time. My apologies. I move on to the blonde girl with a beautiful teal dress. I love to colour this in an ombre style. Finally, I finish with the friendly snowman using cool greys, brown and a little flick of orange. Due to the caps not being displayed this time, I have sped up the colouring process so that it can still be enjoyed but shortens the video a little more. I die cut the Lawn Fawn Peekaboo backdrop in the teal snowflake paper and also cut a piece of white and grey paper to 4.25 by 5.5 inches. I use the backdrop in a portrait orientation and it instantly changes the whole layout. I love a die like this. With my images fussy cut, I lay them out and then work on the sentiment. I stamp "Have a Cool Birthday" off screen and then colour this with a BG marker so that it doesn't get lost on the white background. I add shimmer to all of the characters using a Wink of Stella pen in clear. I love that this dries instantly and adds a subtle shimmer. Off screen I add all of the images using 3D foam pads and then finally add a little more shimmer with a Wink of Stella and also with stickles in Stardust on the teal dress. A super quick card this time. I love how the backdrop can be used in different ways and how it sections off a scene. This card was inspired by episode 200 of Craft Roulette, the one with Gina Kay. The parameters can be seen on the screen. We have a card for a kid or for an adult who loves the animated film. The colours make me go brrrr. The film is a cartoon drawn by famous animators and the snowman has coal buttons. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about and I hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to the Craft Roulette YouTube channel. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I will be back soon.